Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to strike through text in Excel. Strike through in Excel is useful when you want to mark text as completed or no longer relevant without removing it from your worksheet. To begin, open your Excel file and select the cell that contains the text you want to strike through. If you only want to apply the effect to part of the text, double-click the cell and highlight the specific words. In my case, I have only a single word, so I will select the whole cell. Now use the keyboard shortcut to apply strike through. Press Ctrl and 5 on your keyboard. The selected text will instantly appear crossed out. Pressing the same keys again will remove the strike through. This method works quickly and does not change the value of the cell. It only affects how the text looks and does not impact any formulas or calculations. You can also select multiple cells that you want to strike through. Then press Ctrl and 5 and all selected text will appear crossed out. And that sets it. We just learned how to apply and remove strike-through formatting in Excel using a keyboard shortcut. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.